Grabe guys, may kwento ako na sobrang inspiring at heartwarming. Hindi nyo ito pwedeng palampasin. Imagine this, may 5 million incentive si Carlos Yulo pero hindi lang dahil sa medals niya. Gusto nyo malaman kung para saan talaga? Trust me, mas magiging interesting ito, kaya stay tuned hanggang sa dulo. So here's the full story. Si Carlos Yulo, our very own Olympic gold medalist na nagdala ng 2 gold medals sa Paris 2024 Olympics. Sobrang proud moment para sa ating mga Pinoy, di ba? Pero ang mas nakakataba ng puso is that he's being rewarded not just for his athletic achievements, pero para sa isang bagay na mas malalim pa, yung pamilya niya. Si Chavit Singson, a well-known businessman and former Ilocos Sur 1st District Representative, recently announced na bibigyan niya si Carlos ng fee 5 million incentive. Pero here's the kicker, yung pera na to para rin sa family ni Carlos Yulo. Singson said na this is his way of fostering unity within the Yulo family, lalo na sa gitna ng mga issues na naririnig natin tungkol sa kanila. Na-touch talaga ako dito kasi alam naman natin na sa ating kultura bilang mga Pilipino, family is everything. Sabi nga ni Chavit, success isn't just about individual achievements. It's shared with those who offer us love, guidance, and unwavering support. And this fee 5 million incentive is a strong reminder of that value. Imagine mo, nanalo ka na ng 2 Olympic gold medals, and on top of that, someone like Chavit Singson recognizes na ang tunay na yaman mo ay yung family mo. Na kahit gaano ka kagaling, kung wala kang support system, parang kulang pa rin. I think this is something we can all relate to, lalo na sa panahon ngayon where sometimes we forget the importance of family due to our busy lives. Alam nyo, I personally believe na success is never just an individual thing. Kahit gaano pa kalaki ang achievements mo, it's the people around you, especially your family, na nagbibigay ng meaning sa lahat ng iyan. Kaya, I totally understand and support kung bakit ginawa ni Chavit itong gesture na to. Sobrang rare sa panahon ngayon to see someone with influence use their resources para mag-promote ng family unity. Ngayon, let's talk about Carlos Yulo naman. Grabe ang journey niya, di ba? From a young gymnast to an Olympic gold medalist, nakakabilib talaga ang dedication at hard work niya. Pero kung tutuusin, hindi lang siya ang nagtagumpay dito. Pati na rin yung mga tao sa paligid niya, yung pamilya niya, they've been there every step of the way, providing support and love. Kaya ang saya lang na yung reward ni Chavit isn't just for Carlos, but for his entire family too. And wait guys, there's more! Aside from the fee 5 million na ibibigay ni Chavit, Carlos Yulo is also getting a brand new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado from Toyota Motor Philippines. Imagine mo yon, ang ganda ng ride, perfect para sa isang champion like him. Nakakatuwa kasi Toyota even mentioned na they hope this vehicle helps bring him to greater heights. And I'm sure it will, both literally and figuratively. Nakakatuwa rin isipin, ano kaya ang mga susunod na mangyayari kay Carlos Yulo with all these rewards? Parang lalo pang nagiging exciting ang future niya. I'm sure he's not just an inspiration to us Filipinos, but to aspiring athletes around the world. And now, with his family firmly by his side, thanks to the support from Chavit Singson, it's like he's been given wings to fly even higher. Kayo guys, anong masasabi niyo dito? I'm really curious to know what you think. For me, this whole story is just overflowing with positivity and inspiration. Nakaka-inspire na makita kung paano ang success ni Carlos Yulo ay hindi lang nag-stop sa medals, pero nag-extend pa sa pagpapahalaga sa pamilya niya. Let me know your thoughts sa comments below. Sobrang interested ako marinig ang mga opinion nyo. And kung na-inspire din kayo sa kwentong to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga ganitong feel-good stories. Always remember, success is best when shared with the people you love. So, That's it for today, guys. Stay awesome, stay inspired, and keep reaching for your dreams. Pero huwag niyong kalimutan yung mga taong nandyan para sa inyo. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa next video. And as always, stay positive and spread the love.